Taximan shot and succumbed to his injuries and his vehicle stolen in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Westmoreland taxi operator was shot and killed and robbed of his vehicle in Burn Savannah in the parish on Wednesday evening. He has been identified as 35-year-old Romy Taylor of Burn Savannah Frome address. Reports from the police are that at around 6:30 p.m., Taylor was standing at a car wash when a motorbike with two men aboard drove up. The pillion reportedly disembarked the motorbike, then brandished a firearm and opening fire, hitting Taylor to the right side of his head and in the upper and lower part of his back. The pillion, who was reportedly also the shooter, then drove away the grey 2011 Vauxhall motor vehicle operated by Taylor, while the other man rode away on the motorbike. The taxi operator was transported to the Savlamar Public General Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.